Hello, and in today's video we are going to look at what could possibly be one of the best longer term trading robots for the dollar yen pair. This is the Prado trading robot that's on the Metatrader marketplace. So this is for Metatrader 4 only and trades the dollar yen, that's USDJPY, on the hourly time frame. It also has an impressive live signal which we'll look at later on in the video. So this is the product page, nothing all too interesting on this. However, this is a first product for this author and they've been selling this since February 2020, so over a year now. And reading through the comments, I can see that this started selling at less than $100, and as it's proven itself, the author has been able to increase the price. You can see from the historical posts, the author's live signal screenshots have gradually been going up. Today, it's an impressive 1000% over 71 weeks. That's a tenfold increase in a year and a half. So don't forget, to ensure you get the best results, always use a regulated broker and prime VPS provider. I've provided my recommended ones in the description box below. On to the back tests. We'll run the standard or control back test as usual, but also run the history shift and symbol shift test to test for any manipulation. All of them will be run for the dollar yen pair on the hourly time frame. And here are the results. All three tests show exactly the same results, which means it's all good, not seeing any manipulation of the backtest results. In some trading robots, we have proved that they've been manipulated and exposed them in our videos. They are able to falsify the backtest results by filtering historical dates, which were shown to not be profitable. These tests are not difficult to run, and we've created a mini course on Udemy, which you can complete in an hour to show you how to run these for yourself. The link to this is on the screen. This could save you hundreds of dollars, so I hope you see this as a worthwhile investment. So there is a live signal for this, as I mentioned earlier. It's been running for a year and 5 months and done pretty well, returning 10 times the initial deposit. There is a 3% risk per trade, and it has had a 20% drawdown. Note that you're not going to get every month to be winning. You can see that there were 2 consecutive months where it lost 22% and then a further 8% before it jumped a massive 78% the following month. You've got to put yourself in the mindset. What would you be feeling if you took 2 months of losses? Could you continue with this? A lot of people expect a lot more wins than losses, but this is a trading robot that can have 10 consecutive losses. Its losses are smaller than the wins. In summary, this is a breakout trading robot using recent highs and recent lows for trading entries with trailing stop. Using the default settings, every breakout is 2 trades, each risking 1.5%, totaling 3%, and the trailing stops are tight, so quite often these do get hit for small profit or loss. However, when you get a large move is when there are big profits. However, these type of moves don't happen often, which is why there are generally a lot of small losses versus less number of large wins. This does look like a decent long-term trading robot, but as per my previous slide, there are periods when the markets are not trending and false breakouts leading to many small losses. A lot of retail trader psychology will find it's hard to deal with, so this is one which should be just set and forget. Don't look at it day to day and trust it over the longer term. I do like this, and this strategy is similar to a few that I run myself. I did run this on other pairs to see if it could work, but it does only seem to work for the dollar yen. This means that it has been optimized for this pair and hard to know how long it will continue to keep working for. Markets change, as you know, but so far it's been almost a year and a half and it's made some fantastic returns. So if you want to learn more about the trading robot, here are the product links and the signal link. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at our next video.